How to fix Instagram and correct username on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram and correct username on Android phone. First, open settings, scroll down until you find apps, click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop, and here go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just turn off Wi-Fi, and now open Instagram and turn on Wi-Fi, and that's it. If that also doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again, and that's it. Then just go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you find here update, just update your Instagram, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.